Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unblock someone on Facebook. Why would you want to know how to unblock someone on Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to unblock someone on Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unblocking someone on Facebook is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unblock someone on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. Now first click on three lines in the right top corner and then scroll down to the bottom of this page and then click on settings and privacy. And now click on settings. Now again scroll down this page until we found blocking and then tap on it. Now here are few accounts that I have blocked. First tap on any account and then click on unblock and that account has been unblocked. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unblock someone on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.